So what is the best way to get top dollar for your house? I'll talk about this two different ways. There's the ideal situation for top dollar, and then there's doing what's best based on your situation. Now, obviously, the ideal situation would be everything is fully renovated. Most important, kitchen and bathroom, fully renovated, stylish, new floors, fresh paint inside and outside, all new fixtures, landscaping front and back look good. That's how you get top dollar, but that's not realistic for almost everybody. So let's talk about the simple things that can really help you before you sell a house. Obviously, clean, decluttered, and depersonalized even. Pictures and awards put away and stuff like that. That's a great start. Next thing I would say is all new fixtures in the house. Not that expensive. All new lights, new ceiling fans, the vanity lights in the bathrooms. To refresh a bathroom, replacing the toilet and replacing the vanity, not that expensive. Also with bathrooms, maybe the mirror, the medicine cabinet, maybe just painting it, even if you don't paint the whole house. If you stage a house before you sell, that's ideal. But again, there's some cost there. And if that's not going to work for you, light staging. Doing things like, instead of having an empty house, you've got towels in the bathroom, maybe some kind of a basket, little potpourri thing, some like real or fake plants throughout the house, something in the kitchen to give it a little bit of personality, just some things on the counters and stuff. But you want to tailor it to your personal situation. Maybe your floors are pretty bad, so you're going to go ahead and replace floors in your house. These days, people love luxury vinyl plank, not super expensive, pretty easy to install, and waterproof. The bottom line is you need an experienced realtor who understands this stuff and who's going to, with you, collaboratively come up with the best way to sell your property for top dollar. Follow for more great real estate advice.